In the video for today, I'm going to show you 5 ways to use the new Google Find My Device application on an Android phone. So Find My Device has been upgraded. I'm very much sure you know what Find My Device is and what you need to use it for, but it has a lot of new features that you're going to be amazed with. The first thing is that we already know that Find My Device could be used for tracking a lost or stolen Android phone. Now, it has a new feature in which you could actually track a switched off phone also. So most new or latest Android phones could be tracked using this feature. It is going to be useful for you to get your phone back if you have misplaced it. So you could just go ahead and do the normal tracking for your Android phone on Find My Device. You log into Google Find My Device, select the device, and once your phone is shown on the map, it is probably the location for the phone itself. Okay, you could get to this location and try and see if you could get your phone back. In most cases, you are definitely going to get your phone back. Apart from that, you could also use Find My Device to keep track of everyday items using Bluetooth tags. So maybe your house key or your car key or whatever it is, you could keep a track of it using this feature. And now, another interesting feature is that your house key, for instance, could be right under your nose, but you wouldn't know. So you could use the Find Nearby button and track your key. Not just your keys, you could even track your wallet or wherever you could keep these tags in. So you just pull out the phone, open Find My Device application, and you could use the Find Nearby option to track whatever you are trying to track, and you're going to be able to trace it. The next interesting feature is to pinpoint devices at home using Google Nest. So you could use this option with Nest to actually track your keys or wallet or whatever it is. Another interesting feature is that you could also share the location for your accessories like your TV remote or your keys or maybe your wallet or whatever it is. You could share the location for these things through Find My Device with your friends or family members so that, when it is misplaced, you could actually divide and conquer, right? I mean, if it is misplaced, a lot of you would be involved to track it down, and it is going to be easier and faster for you guys to find that specific accessory. So the new Find My Device since the end of 2024 is not just an application to track a lost or stolen Android phone, but it is also an application that you could utilize for a lot of features that I mentioned in the video for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friends.